morning, y'all. I am doing another DAC unboxing, and this one is Lips Like Morphine. Isn't she pretty? I ordered her on April 13th, and I believe she came in on April 17th. She is a square drill. She is 52 by 70 cm, and she was $52.95. So let's get into this. Alright, so, big, huge thing of beads. And there she is. And that. Alright. So, well, if you've never gotten a DAC image, you get a clear boat, 2 heart-shaped waxes, a squishy, and a pin. So, yeah. Now, let's move those out the way for a minute. I may have to stand it because this one is big. So, yeah. Wow. Look at her. Alright, let me roll her backwards real quick. So it looks like, oh goodness, I don't think I got a daisy chain of beads this time. It looks like they're the older kind, the older way that they used to do it. So, yeah. All the pretty red and blues. Now, you know, she was recharted. She was redone. They made her prettier. I mean, I thought she was pretty before anyway. This is about as far away from her as I'm going to be able to get. So let's look up here. Okay, so this, even though this is the new printing of her, they have 2 schematics on the top. There are 33 colors. As beautiful as she is, I can't believe there's only 33 colors. Wow. Lips Like Morphine is supposed to be a take of like Poison Ivy. So, love her, especially the ivy glasses. She has a skull, little barrette in her hair. Love this red hair. Oh my goodness, the red hair. Right here, and like from far away, you can tell that this is like a piece of hair that's just come in front of her shoulder. But looking at it up close, it kind of looks like her jaw is all messed up. But really, it's not. It's the hair coming over her shoulder. And she's got these beautiful tattoos. That's one of the things they redid. They redid her tattoos. I know that they redid her glasses. And they redid the chest area. Beautiful colors. Lots of colors. Oh my. This one was bagged up December 16th. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at those later. So, yes. She is beautiful. Love the red lips. Clear. Anything tonight. But they are very clear. So, I don't know what's wrong with it. But I'm excited to do this. Don't know when I'm going to get to it. I have so many to do. But I will have it when I get ready, that's for sure. I like her face. I love the shading in her face. This eyebrow is so cool. How it's crooked up and all. Love that. And it's really interesting how you have this blue and you have the green. So that's awesome. But yeah. God, her sleeve on her tattoo sleeve is awesome. And the bust. I mean, you know, Poison Ivy should be busty. So, yeah, I got this one. Gonna put it away until I can get to it. You know, I'm counting down to retirement right now. And so I have lots of diamond paintings sitting and waiting. And I keep telling myself, when I get ready to go home and retire, I will definitely have enough to do. I will be able to sit and do these until my heart's content. So, yeah. This one fits nicely in the bag. And voila. Okay. Now get it back in this box. Fight with the box. Fight with the box. So, trying to just show you what I've got hidden away and do some unboxings with what I have hidden away. And right now I'm trying to fight to get these beads in the bag. I hope if you have gotten Lips Like Morphine that you have enjoyed doing it. I think she's beautiful. Oh. Yeah. I am going to check those beads later. So until next time, bye y'all.